Puzzles and kids. Puzzles and kids. Puzzles and kids. Puzzles and kids.
Hi everybody, I'm Piper Puzzles. My parents raised me to be smart, strong, and confident. My favorite activity is solving puzzles. Now today, I've been asked to photograph animals in the rainforest. Will you help me? Great, let's go. But first, we need to get there. I have an idea. One day, when I was solving my hardest puzzle, I had to beat a magic dragon. Do you see it? Back there? Well, when I defeated him, I gained a magic scroll and a magic cape. Let me grab them. Here's my scroll. And here's my cape. Let's put the cape on. Ooh, it's long. Great. Cape is on. It's time to read the scroll. Are you ready? Okay. I wish to go far away, where up is down and night is day. To solve puzzles is my goal. With my cape, my friends, and this magic scroll. Whoa! Look where we are! It looks like the rainforest! We made it! I can put these down for now. Whew. All right, now, do you guys see any animals? We have to photograph them. I see one right there! Now, let me tell you a little fun fact about sloths. Their lack of movement acts actually as a defense mechanism. That's why they move super duper slow. They only take bathroom breaks once a week. And they're excellent swimmers. Super cool! All right, do you see any other animals? There it is! That's a jaguar. Let's photograph it. Did you know that jaguars are the third largest cat in the world? Their fur has black spots, you see them? Called rosettes, because they're shaped like roses. How cute! And they live 12 to 15 years. That's pretty short. All right, let's go. Whoa! We walked so far. All right, let's look for some more animals. Shout out if you guys see anything. There we go! Did you know that gorillas are highly intelligent and actually use tools in the wild? That's amazing! What else? Oh, they can learn to use sign language in captivity. They can say things like, thank you. Let's do it together. Ready? Hand on your chin. Take it away. Thank you. And at night, they sleep together in nests. How cute! All right, do we see any other animals here? Whoa, that's a huge snake. Its actual name is an anaconda. Let's take a picture. Now, babies are born 2 feet long. That's like, I don't even know how big, but that's pretty cool. They can grow up to 30 feet, which is about 6 10-year-olds laying head to foot. What a weird form of measurement. And they can go months without eating. I can't go 2 hours without eating. I don't know about you guys. I like my snacks. Okay, let's move on. getting out of breath from all this walking. All right, you guys know the drill. Shout if you see any animals. I see one over there. Whew, that bird's a little small. This is a toucan. They use their beak to peel fruit. Like, I don't know, bananas. I like bananas. Do you like bananas? Now, their beak actually makes up 1/3 of their total length. That's insane. That's like if my nose was this long. Also, toucans are pretty lazy, and they don't really like to travel far. I don't know. I like to stay in bed when I'm comfy, too. All right, what else do we see? There's our toucan. Whoa! That's huge! It's an orangutan. Ready? Let's take a picture quick. Whew. That's pretty big. Now, orangutans are actually the closest relative to humans. We share about 97% of the same DNA. That's like, they could be my brother. They're also pretty solo creatures, which basically just means that they like to live alone. So, they're kind of a lone wolf. They also are super flexible. They can put their entire leg behind their head. Oh my gosh. I can't do it. Whew, that was a good stretch. All right, everyone, let's keep walking. Gotta stretch out here a little bit, all this walking. All right, what do we see? Up there? You're right, that's a tree frog. Now, tree frogs, they're kind of small, right? So the biggest tree frogs are actually only 2.5 inches. It's like this big. That's pretty small, especially compared to our orangutan, right? They also have really bright eyes. Do you guys see? You guys see? Yeah. They spend almost their entire lives in trees. They have super sticky things and they can just stick to it for almost their entire lives. It's a really, really long time. All right, I think we have time for about one more animal. Do you guys see anything? Where? There? I almost didn't see it. Great catch, you guys. That's an iguana. Iguanas can actually detach their super long tail and regrow it if necessary. That's like my leg just falling off and then growing back. That's amazing. And they can talk with each other through their eyes. That's like, you guys know what I said? Well, thank you so much. All right, I think it's time to go back to Puzzle Land. What about you? Great, let me just grab my magic cape and my magic scroll. Whoosh. All right, time to read. I wish to go far away, where up is down and night is day. To solve puzzles is my goal, with my cape, my friends, and my magic scroll. Whoosh! We made it! Great, I'm gonna put these down. Whew. It's pretty hot. Alright everyone, thank you so much for helping me with today's adventure. In return, you'll earn the Rainforest Rangers badge. How cute! Alright, we definitely have way more puzzles to solve, so make sure you tune in next time. I'm Piper Puzzles. Bye!
Puzzles and